What is low-level wind shear? Have you ever wondered how something as invisible as wind can be a major threat to aircraft? Today, we are going to talk about low-level wind shear and why it matters, especially in high-risk professions like aviation. Low-level wind shear is a sudden and significant change in wind speed or direction that occurs close to the ground, usually within about 2,000 feet above the Earth's surface. This phenomenon can happen very quickly, often defined as a change of 10 knots or more per 100 feet within a layer at least 200 feet thick near the surface. This sudden shift in wind can be particularly dangerous during critical phases of flight, such as takeoff and landing. When an aircraft is close to the ground and moving at lower speeds, these rapid changes can lead to serious control issues. Several weather conditions can cause low-level wind shear. For instance, frontal systems with steep wind gradients can create abrupt shifts, especially when a front moves at speeds of 30 knots or more, and there is a temperature difference of 10 degrees Fahrenheit or greater across it. Thunderstorms and convective clouds can also produce microbursts, which are intense downdrafts that cause sudden wind changes. Another factor is temperature inversions, where warmer air sits above cooler air near the ground. This often leads to a low-level jet stream, which has strong wind speed differences. Additionally, terrain features like mountains or buildings can disrupt airflow and create localized wind shear zones. For pilots, especially those flying smaller general aviation aircraft, low-level wind shear is a hidden hazard. These aircraft operate closer to their stall speeds, so sudden wind shifts can lead to rapid changes in airspeed. This risk is similar to what storm chasers face when tracking severe weather or deep-sea fishermen battling unpredictable ocean conditions. Each of these professions deals with powerful natural forces that can change in an instant. To help detect and manage the risks associated with low-level wind shear, airports often use specialized systems like the Low-Level Wind Shear Alert System. This system employs multiple anemometers around an airport to monitor wind speed and direction changes in real time. If hazardous wind shear is detected, warnings are sent to air traffic control and pilots, allowing them to adjust their flight operations. Doppler weather radar systems at major airports also play a role in identifying wind shear conditions by measuring wind velocity patterns near the surface. In summary, low-level wind shear is a sudden change in wind speed or direction near the ground that poses a serious threat to aircraft during takeoff and landing. Understanding this phenomenon is essential for those in high-risk jobs related to weather and natural forces.